Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make rock candy in about 1 hour. First, gather your ingredients: 2 to 3 cups of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. You will also need a clean glass jar, a saucepan, and a stirring spoon. Prepare a cotton string or a small wooden stick by tying a weight to one end if using string, or simply ensuring the stick fits. Next, we will create the supersaturated sugar solution. Pour 1 cup of water into your saucepan and add 2 to 3 cups of granulated sugar. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously. It is crucial to dissolve all the sugar completely. Keep stirring until the solution is clear and no sugar crystals are visible at the bottom of the pan. Now, let's set up for crystal growth. Carefully pour the hot, clear sugar solution into your clean glass jar. Next, gently suspend your prepared cotton string or wooden stick into the solution. Make sure the string or stick hangs freely without touching the sides or bottom of the jar. This provides the perfect surface for crystals to begin forming. Finally, for rapid crystal formation, place your jar in a cool, undisturbed location. You should start to see small crystals forming on your string or stick within 30 minutes. After about 1 hour, your rock candy should be ready. Carefully remove it from the solution and let it dry completely on parchment paper before enjoying your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.